Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's Tony. Fresh out the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. I just kind of wanted to go about the daily trading day with Bitcoin right now. Like I told you guys, I did think that we were going to head up to 41K. We already hit that. And as of right now, I do think we are headed towards like a 43.1 sometime like around by today, tomorrow. It does look like we're going to be closing a bullish entry on a bull trigger on my indicators, right? And also, that new pattern that I've been, well, not really telling, you guys about or other people, but this is essentially the new pattern, right? It's essentially using the HOC on a up close, and then the bottom frame is down, lower, right? Again, so up close, down, then push up. Up close, down, push up, and it's exactly what happened, right? So that's another pattern I'm looking into, especially on that. But yeah, as of right now, you confirm that retest down here. You got saved pretty nicely, and I think as of right now you are headed towards that 43.1 on Bitcoin, which is kind of weird considering the DXY is actually not dropping. But on the 2-day, you are looking at closing a 2-day bear trigger in probably tomorrow, I think tomorrow or Tuesday, and on the 3-day you are starting to be a little bit more on the weak side, although usually you don't have any kind of reversal until you hit like an 86, so you're still at a 73. So I still think that the dollar can still push a little bit, which is kind of weird that Bitcoin is moving this heavy towards the upside. This is something else. But yeah, Bitcoin is definitely pushing a little bit harder now, so I do think that as of right now it's headed towards 43.1. If Bitcoin ends up being extremely bearish, then I could definitely see 44,000 by stock market open tomorrow. So I just wanted to give you guys a really quick refresh rate of what I think is happening of the last video. Why I thought we were going to push up back up to 41K, and why we're more than likely going to keep pushing towards the upside, right? And on the weekly basis as well, you're really just trading sideways, right? You had a bear trigger on the weekly down here on 41.3, and you've really just been trading sideways on this bear cycle. So I think this week, Bitcoin has a really good chance of popping all the way up to 47K. I'll be completely honest. I think you have a really good chance of just completely demolishing this and doing something really stupid by next Sunday. So it would be a really good time right now to possibly get into like longs for like coin or Maro or all those things right now, right? So if you want to, right, you don't have to, but I definitely think it's a good idea to long all crypto maybe for like the next month. You have a really good chance at Bitcoin actually breaking 50K within the next 30 days or so, I think. But yeah, we're shooting up. I think we're going to VC here, and I definitely think that by tomorrow's open we could definitely see 43K, if not 44K. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.